Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a look with the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but like I said, we will get there. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Prime, and this is the Blur and Illuminate one. Soul No Pore Blim Primer, and I'm going to put that in my T-zone and my chin. I'll be right back. I'm going to go put a headband on. I'm back. I'm just tired of my hair constantly getting in my face. Then I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal&Define Foundation, and I use the shade F8. And then with my wet Real Techniques Beauty Sponge, I'm going to blend that all out. Now with my Makeup Revolution Conceal&Define Concealer in the shade C5, the first shade we're going to go into is Quench. Go in with the shade Splash. Is everybody gonna hear you singing? And then we're gonna go back in with Quench. And then in with the shade Sumbmerge. Take my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Flat White, and I'm going to cut my crease, but I'm only partially going to do it. Take the shade Divine. I'm going to pack that onto my lid. take the shade Drizzle. In with my NYX Epic Ink liner. Now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. In with my Makeup Revolution concealer again, and again I'm in the shade C5. My face with my Maybelline powder and the shade 220. With my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Levitation and Lyric for my under eye. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Subconscious. Then I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. In with my Makeup Revolution ShopX highlighting palette. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I actually watched a video and I don't remember who it was. I watched it last night as I was waiting to see where my daughter's blood sugar was gonna go. And like she was talking about how she learned from someone to blend your highlighter in circular motions because your face is three-dimensional. So I'm doing that today, girl. So now I'm gonna go apply floss lashes, and I'm gonna do that off camera, so I'll be right back. Hi everyone, I'm back. Lashes are on. I use the Kiss lashes in the number style 11. I really like them. I think they're absolutely stunning and beautiful. My LA Girl Neon Shockwave liner, and this is in the shade Fresh. I've been having so much fun lately doing these ultra colorful looks. Definitely out of my comfort zone, definitely not something that I'm used to doing on a day-to-day basis. Usually it's literally mascara, lip gloss, brows. No foundation, no nothing. So I've been definitely having fun. And then I'm going to go back in with my Makeup Revolution ShopX highlighter palette, and I'm going to use the shade for my inner corner. And I am going to wet my brush to make it pop more. Line my lips with my Colourpop Curvii liner. I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop, I think it's an Ultra Satin Lip from the Becky G collection, and this is the shade Mija. Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Setting Spray. Thank you for watching my video, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button down below, as well as the bell notification button. All of the products used today will be linked down below, as well as my social media links.